Check this out. We have a 2005 Ford 350 dump truck. Get this, only 6,363,000 miles on it. This truck right here was only used here at a local college for plowing snow in the wintertime and hauling some mulch and things like that. Hence the mileage and why it's so low, especially for a 2005. This is a clean, super clean dump truck. It's a 6.0 liter turbo diesel. We have the lift for the back of the truck. Look, okay, maybe I lied. 6,366 miles. That is all. This is just a really clean work truck. Very well taken care of. I mean, it's just a beautiful all-around work truck. This is a 2005 Ford F-350 dump truck, 6.0 liter Powerstroke diesel, 4-wheel drive. Come check it out. 4603 Jefferson Davis Highway, Fredericksburg, Virginia, 22408.